Hello, my name is Laura Maria Estrada Martinez. I am 26 years old. I am from Bogota, Colombia, and I live with my parents in the north of the city. I am food technologist. I love pizza, and the most important to me is my family. There are 7 people in my family: my parents, my 3 brothers, my sister, and me. My father's name is Omar. He is 63 years old, but he looks younger. He was born in Sogamoso, Boyacá. He is a publicist. He is tall, he is tanned complexion, and he is dark eyes. He is thin and he has hair curly. He is a serious person, but is very kind. My mom's name's Luz Dari. She is 51 years old. She was born in Moniquira, Boyacá. She is housewife. She eyes are very beautiful. She skin is fair complexion. She is short. She has hair black and curly. Her personality is very soft and nice. My older brother's name is Santiago. He is professional chef and he is 38 years old. He is tall, he is turned complexion, his eyes are dark, he is thin, and he is hair straight and black. He is very funny, intelligent, and nice person. My younger sister names Natalia. She is 24 years old. She is a professional baker. She was born in Bogota. She is tall. She has short and dark hair. His eyes are dark. She looks very young. She is very crazy, strong, and funny. Juan Alejandro, he is my brother. He is 17 years old. He is a student and was born in Bogota. He is tall and thin. His nose is small. He turned complexion and has hair dark. He is very handsome. Their personality is tender and generous. My brother name is Thomas. He is 13 years old. He is a student. He was born in Bogota. He has curly and short hair. He is Asian and dark. He is tall and very thin. He is serious and little shy. Thank you.